In this video, I'll show you how to log into Grok AI in 2026. If you already have a Grok account and want to access the AI assistant, the login process is simple. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Grok website. Make sure you are using the official Grok service before entering your login information. Once the Grok website loads, look for the Sign In or Log In option and click it. You'll then be taken to the available login screen. Depending on the current Grok sign-in system, you may be able to continue with a supported account provider or use another available login method. Choose the login option connected to your Grok account and follow the instructions shown on the screen. If you are asked to enter your email address, username, password, or other account information, enter the correct details carefully. You may also be asked to complete an additional verification step. If that happens, follow the instructions provided by Grok to confirm your identity and continue. After successful authentication, Grok should open your account and take you to the main chat interface. Now you can start a new conversation, enter a prompt, ask questions, generate content, or explore the AI features available with your account. If you cannot log in, first check that your account information is correct and that your internet connection is working properly. You can also try refreshing the page or using another supported browser. If you have forgotten your login information, use the account recovery options